Just don't trust the tower. It's so annoying. It's so annoying, bro. I don't trust this tower. I die. Because don't trust this tower, bro. It's so hard to game this. Some people are angry because this tower is so annoying. But it's so annoying. Don't trust this tower. Bro, ay din talibangon. Ay, uy. Kanan, ay. Lucky, dude. Because don't. It's so hard, bro. It's so hard. But you don't trust him, bruh. Yeah. So disod pang kinabuhi niya. Bro, I get poop now because I lost my life. Sorry, bye-bye.